Tom Bissonette from SAR here, and I'm with Constatino Uliano. Tell me a bit about yourself, Constantino.
Hey, Tom. Thank you very much. We are very excited to come here in SRR this year. One more time, it's a very important event.
Perfect.
Right?
We're glad to have you. Can you tell us a little bit about Spanesi?
Oh, Spanesi is an Italian company.
Yeah.
We produce equipment for collision repair industry for over 50 years.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow. So what kind of equipment do you supply to the body shops?
Well, we not just produce equipment, we design and we work with OEMs programs, all OEMs programs, and then we produce, we sell, install and train all equipment. Is furniture, is a spray booth, is a prep area, is a different size of bench.
Right.
106 bench EXT for a Canadian market. Multi-bench is a touch electronic measuring system with you can add the virtual glass. Our pull-up system with our glue system, you can repair a cosmetic and a structural damage.
Yep.
Yes, and MIG weld machine.
Yep.
Is a Q 5.2 inverter with 3/3. Our spot welding machine is 14,500 amps. This is full automatic. Yes, and with material recognition.
Yeah.
Yes, and for your office and for your estimate bay, you can ask for our furniture, Italian design furniture.
Oh, really? Look,
Yes.
I did not know that because I'm well aware of your touch system, and I've looked at your glue pulling system. It looks awesome. It looks so
Yeah,
cool.
they have a lot of
So if people wanted to contact Spanesi, how would they do that?
Well, you can contact our local distributor,
Yeah.
or you can visit our website, and you can take our virtual tour, and you see all equipments in our showroom.
I've seen that virtual tour. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
You just click on it and it just walks you around the room, right?
This is an amazing job from our marketing director, Carl.
Yeah.
Yes.
And in Saskatchewan, who is your distributor, your local distributor here in Saskatchewan?
Well, here we work with Rondex.
Rondex,
Yes, the Rondex, and they take care of this is your area.
Perfect. I tell you what, Tino, it's a pleasure getting to know you. You're always so pleasant to deal with. Thank you for coming to Saskatoon and sharing here with the folks at SAR.
No, thank you very much.
You bet.